Hey everybody, I just wanted to get on here and give y'all a quick update. It's a follow-up on a video that posted about the clamps being loose on the turbo intercooler on the new John Deere. And I said in that video that I had contacted the dealership and they didn't seem overly concerned. And my salesman, he watched it and got back to me first thing this morning and said that he apologized for not following up with me on it, but he did let his service manager know the situation that day. And then after seeing the video, I think he was going to show the service manager at Meade at Abingdon what was going on and have them contact the district or the corporate service manager for all the Meade locations and tell them the situation and get it put into their service or the pre-delivery inspection routine to check those clamps. That tickled me to death. That was the thing that I wanted to see done. I know somebody else, at least one more person, maybe a couple more, had commented that they had that same problem with their tractor. And similar symptoms as far as how it was running, affecting the running and stuff on it. But, you know, it may not happen to very many of them, but as easy as that is to check, I just wanted to see if I could get something done to where that somebody else wouldn't experience that same thing, because it's so easy to have a problem with a brand new tractor that you're not used to and not realize it's not performing correctly. Even as much experience as I've had with tractors and even having that other John Deere, I thought, well, the engines have sort of been, it's not really the engine itself, but the components have been redesigned. It didn't have the particulate filter, and I thought that sound was normal as far as the turbo leak, because I thought maybe just hearing it more because it was less restricted, which I think I explained. And then the knocking and a little bit of rough running, where that tractor was a leftover, I thought maybe where it sat on the lot with not much fuel in it, I could have had a little water in the fuel or some algae growth in the filters and that type of thing. I was going to try changing the filters and see if that cleared it up. But after tightening those clamps, everything's run fine. But I'm very pleased that they're going to look into that situation, see if they can get it fixed, or not get something done about it for the future, and check it and make that part of their pre-delivery checklist. That was my goal, was the reason I contacted them before I even did the video, was to try to get that done. And I'm grateful that they're doing it, and maybe prevent somebody else from having that same issue. But be sure, if you have bought one of the newer 5E tractors, regardless of what dealership it's come from, you need to check that over, just to be safe. But appreciate everybody's support, everybody watching. And again, I appreciate Daniel there at Meade for being so good to work with and trying to get some stuff done like that. But we'll talk to you later.